What's the meaning of burnous? Burnous. Burnous.
Burnous. Burnous. A burnous is a long, hooded cloak that is typically made of wool and worn over traditional North African clothing. It was commonly worn by the Berber people to protect themselves from the cold desert winds. The burnous is characterized by its voluminous, flowing shape and distinctive fringe trim. When worn, it can give the wearer a regal and dramatic appearance. Additionally, the burnous has become a symbol of cultural identity and heritage for many North African communities.